Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of foldable phones with the highly anticipated Vivo X Fold 3. This phone promises to be a game changer, and we're putting it to the test to see if it lives up to the hype. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button. 98% of our viewers haven't subscribed yet. Design and display. The Vivo X Fold 3 boasts an impressive 8 inches inner foldable display with LTPO technology for smooth refresh rates and excellent visuals. When folded, you have a convenient 6.5 outer display for everyday use. But the magic lies in the hinge. It feels sturdy and precise, giving you confidence while unfolding and folding the phone. The unfolded display truly shines when it comes to multitasking. You can comfortably run to apps side by side, perfect for productivity or entertainment. Cameras. The X Fold 3 packs a triple-lens Zeiss camera system. We captured some stunning visuals in daylight, crisp details, and vibrant colors. Low light performance is decent, but not class-leading. Performance and battery. Under the hood, the X Fold 3 boasts the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, meaning it's a powerhouse. We experienced smooth multitasking and blazing fast gaming with minimal heat generation. Battery life is solid thanks to the 5,500 mAh capacity. You'll likely get through a full day on a single charge with moderate use. Overall, the X Fold 3 is a strong contender in the foldable market. If you prioritize a thin, lightweight design and top-notch performance, it's definitely worth considering. Let us know in the comments below what you think about the Vivo X Fold 3. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.